Melody, and I'm one of the Muscatine Ag students, and today we have our Ag classes outside. We're learning how to harvest honey. This is our Ag 2 class. We have some pretzels and honey and some honeycomb, and all our students are trying that out today. We're just learning a little bit about honey, and we also have some honey that we're going to sell soon. And let's see, we also have honey at the Muscatine Ag Learning Center. And so we have Caleb here, one of our Ag students, to try honey for us.
It's really good. It's fun. You get to try like seeing what the bees have gone through and what they've made, and
some experience there. So like somebody, there's enough honey on here for 3 or 4 of you. Now I don't suggest you lick the hot knife, okay? But we have that. So it's hard to get this stuff clean, and I don't know if Don uses something special, but if you remember last year, you don't want to use soap.
Are tilapia pretty hardy fish? Yeah. Do they live in a lot of brackish, dirty, muddy water? I'm from Florida, but in particular, notice how the water's leveling itself out. And also, what was our pH, anybody?